Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Terra Luna creative tutorial. So in today's video, I will be showing you how to combine multiple PDF documents into one single PDF file. And so the first step is to identify the PDFs that you want to merge together, which I have right here on my desktop. These are just random PDFs that I decided to use for the purpose of today's video. And so I have 2 PDF documents. And so let's just pretend like I want to combine them. So the first thing I'm going to do is navigate over to smallpdf.com, maximize, and we'll go down our list to determine which action we want to take. And so since we want to combine them into one document, let's choose this option which says merge PDF, combine multiple PDFs into one unified document. Perfect, that's exactly what we want. Click it, minimize, and then what I'm going to do is I will select both of these documents and just simply drag and drop them into that purple section right there. And so they're both uploading to the smallpdf.com website. So we'll just wait for it to finish uploading. And it's done. So as you'll see, we have 2 options, and the first option is a basic free option since we have not subscribed to smallpdf.com, and it just simply says merge the files together, arrange and combine entire PDFs any way you like. And then the second option is for pro, is for people who have a subscription to smallpdf.com. And with that option, you can merge the pages, you can select, arrange, and combine individual pages of the PDF. So for the purpose of today's video, we simply just want to combine everything into one file. So this basic option is what we will be choosing today because we're really basic today. So we'll choose that option and we'll merge the PDF together. Awesome. Voila, magic. So now we're going to simply download it to our machine here. So we will select Save to Device, Save, and there we have it. It's downloading to our desktop. Great. So we can close that. And as you'll see, it kind of just went with a default name. So you can change this file name to be whatever you'd like. So let's open the file to make sure that they did indeed get combined together. Okay, so let's maximize this window, minimize so that we can have better visibility. Awesome. And as you'll see, hello everyone, file out of 2 different documents. So the beginning of the second document that we merged starts right here and it's only 3 pages. So the rest of this document consists of that first document, which has 23 pages. So we did what needed to be done. Okay, Small PDF once again has understood the assignment. Okay, so we can close that out and we're done. So that is going to conclude today's video. Thank you so much for tuning back in to another Terra Luna creative tutorial, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.